It's your girl Jeannodenim, and we back again. Hold the denim, because we don't want that over here, okay? So we are back again with another banger. So today we are doing a makeup tutorial, a everyday makeup tutorial. You can wear it any day of the week, and this is normally what I do when I do my makeup. So don't mind how I look right now. I got my pajamas on and my hair is getting laid as we speak. So let's get started.
If we gon' be together, I love to know. Only you make me better. I want you more. Hope this gon' last forever. Won't let it go. Go and fill up my fantasies. I want you to.
So I normally start off with my eyebrows first, but as you can see, they're already done. And y'all, excuse my face, I'm breaking out real bad. So this is mostly and don't worry if they look crazy because we're gonna
No vacation. Stay up off my Instagram, pure temptation.
and I forgot to show you what I used. How did I do that? So I just used the e.l.f. Lock and excuse me, e.l.f. lock and something. I don't know. You can use it as eyeliner or for your eyebrows. I use it for my eyebrows. Next, I got this on Amazon. It's a brow soap. It's by Soap Gold Brow. I don't know. So I like it for a few different brows. I just take it in my spoon and I just stick it in here real good. You wet it. Make sure you wet it. So then I go in with my concealer. I'm using Jeannodenim in the shade 16.
There's a room full of niggas. What you following me for? Say no fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause we blow like a seaford. My foot like a seaford. Money, all rolling. Big got these in the trash, we rolling.
Let me come back. So we're back. I haven't finished it off camera, but it looks pretty. Primer, pink one, and we're gonna prime our face. So mainly focus on your T-zone. And just a warning, y'all, I don't have any eyeliner, so I mean, for everyday look, you don't necessarily need eyeliner. I don't know. We'll see what we come up with. And sometimes I wear it, sometimes I don't. Yeah. So I use the Morphe filter. I think it's Pro filter. The Morphe Filter Effects Soft Focus Foundation. In the shade Tan 24. Okay.
Say no fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause we blow like a seaford. My foot like a seaford. Money.
Then we're gonna go in with our concealer. The same Juvia's Place concealer. And we're just going to go.
another woman that can take your spotlight.
Next thing we're gonna do is go in with our concealer for our contour. So I use the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Rich Cocoa.
What beautiful. Would you date me on the regular? Tell me would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing.
We are going to set our face. Continue with setting spray.
My love, so don't give away. My love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love, so don't give away.
Complexion, Black Radiance setting powder in the shade Banana to set my face.
Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene?
Everyday makeup tutorial. We're not gonna go too crazy on the eyeshadow. We're gonna keep it very light, very cute. So I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 350 Natural Glow palette, and I'm gonna start off with this brush. It's really fluffy. I don't know the name of it, and we're gonna go in with this shade.
On the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love, so don't give away. My love, so don't give away. My love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love, so don't give away. My love, so don't give away. My love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. On the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.
Come rewind up. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine up. If you're loving every night, you make you mad up. Now only you give me love and make me nice up, nice up, nice up. I feel make you mine up. Girl, I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke, it's you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. I love you every day. I'm a dancer, you my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. And I make it money, Jay. I see you do this for you every day. When you call, run it back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. If I love psycho, we can drop it psycho. If you get me messy, I go drop me psycho. If you get me dirty, but then make me mad up. Make you sing, sing to the mic. Girl, you are that looking in your eyes up. Show you many things you can utilize up. If I say I love you, then I tell you nice up. Show you everything that I've tonight up. You that make you utilize up. Girl, when we talk, we go revive up. If you many things, we put them make you dance up. Girl, make you back up with the standing right up. It's coming and he never call you back. You should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad. You'll be getting where you been, girl, it's where you at, where you at. And I love you every day. I'm a dancer, you my money, I go pay.
Okay, so we're gonna brush away all of our powder. So we use like this little brush. Flawless face of brush, and back in the bronze palette, and I mix both shades. Yep. And
drought and famine, natural disaster.
Black. Just go underneath.
For me, kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes,
Weird. They're really cute. Cute brushes. So then we're just gonna wait for them to dry, and I'll come back when they're done drying, so that we can finish off this makeup look. Okay, so our lashes are on, so we're just gonna do our lips. So let me go get a cute lip combo, and I'll be right back. The Cosmetics, the Vibes, it's called Vibes lip pencil, and we're just gonna outline our lips.
And I'll take some time just to be thankful that I had days full of you. Before it winds down into the memories, it's all just memories now.
don't you love when I come around?
And we're done. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I post. It's your girl Jeannodenim, hold the denim, and we out.
Here for you.